Good morning.
Good morning. Sit down, please.
Thank you very much.
What is your name?
My name is Marinela Jaime.
How old are you?
I am 38 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Abrego Norte de Santander.
Okay. Are you single or married?
I am single.
Okay. Do you have children?
I do not have children.
Who do you live with?
I live with my mother.
What are you studying?
I study public accounting.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
I like to sing.
Okay. Where do you work?
I work in a Catholic church.
Okay. Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes. I am a person very dedicated to my work. I like to do things well.
What are your strengths?
My responsibility, my honesty, and my punctuality.
Okay. What are your weaknesses?
I am insecure.
Okay. What is your biggest achievement in life?
My biggest achievement is studying a professional career.
Okay. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself keeping the accounting of several companies.
When do you want to leave your job?
I want to quit my job because I want to have better opportunities to help me realize my dream to be real professional.
Okay. Why do you want to work for us?
Because it is a prestigious company which will give me the opportunity to develop professionally.
Okay. What are your salary expectations?
A salary in accordance with my professionalism, about 5 million pesos a month.